Now, before we do talk about the 3 objectives, for some of you who are new to joining our workshop today, I think first of all, we need to just unpick and remind ourselves of a particular term that we've used as well, which is called inclusion. What does that term inclusion mean? So let's just remind ourselves, what does that mean? So in the comment box, could you write down whether you think it's A or B? So does inclusion mean supporting the needs of all learners, or is it provide learning opportunities? Could you put down in the chat box or in Facebook live as well what you think the definition or what you understand by that term inclusion, typing in A or a B. Thank you so much for your comments on Facebook. Live I can see as well. I can see a few results coming through, which is great. What do you think inclusion means? So we've got a varied response here between A and B. And I'll just keep that open for another moment or so as well. Thank you for all of those of you who have responded so far. So I think from here, A and B, thank you very much. They're not sure between both of them. Now, I think, thank you. I think for a lot of you who have actually put down a particular response already, quite a number of you have put down B, which is quite interesting as well, providing learning opportunities. And I do agree, it is providing lots of learning opportunities. But I think the key part of inclusion is that it's for all learners. And this is the key part that we shared last month in our workshop. And so therefore, what inclusion is about is supporting the needs of all learners, but of course, providing those learning opportunities as well. So based on that, as we've just done a bit of a reminder and a recall of what inclusion is, we're now going to be focusing on our first learning objective, specifically looking at differentiation.